Hello everyone. So today we are going to cover one of the topic of our zoology UPSC zoology optional paper, है ना? Paper one in that your unit economic zoology. So in that there's a one topic that is your pearl culture. If you will see the PYQs previous year questions, of course you will see that this question has been asked. Although at the same time I would say there are so many cultures, of course, mentioned in your syllabus, that is in the economic geology portion, such as your apiculture, sericulture, prawn culture, pearl culture, then carp culture, then vermiculture, right? Around 6 to 7 cultures are mentioned, in which the sericulture has been asked repeatedly, and apiculture is one of the very important. From that, the question also relate like that the social organization in that honeybee or insects, right? So pearl culture, it has been also asked in I think, if I'm not wrong, 2020 or 21 paper, not 21, but this pearl culture has also been asked. And this YouTube series, what we are doing, we generally take those topic which has been asked in your PYQs, है ना? So that you guys will have a kind of prepared answer. So you guys don't need to go to the on a Google or the Chat GPT. Here you can see a complete structured answer or a complete knowledge of single content, respective of the what should you write in the introduction, what should you write in the body portion, then the conclusion. What are the topics that will be going to cover in a single topic? You know? The PDF or the whatever we are providing, I'm just dictating from there. It has a multiple headings so that you can make a good and a proper structure in your answer copies. Okay, so now I'll start. We know that pearl culture. Pearl is, of course, these culture are something which having whatever the culture, such as your apiculture, sericulture, prawn culture. These are the topic of the economic geology, right? So that means these cultures, whatever we are reading or the covering, so they have some kind of economic importance, right? So in that pearl culture, we have the economic importance of your pearl. Basically, first of all, we'll talk a little bit about. So significance, it's specifically used in your jewelry and the ornaments, right? Yes. So these pearl actually cultured from what? So these pearl actually form in one of the mollusks that is known as your pink tada, or the common name is your pearl oyster. So that is actually one of the defense mechanism of the animal. How? So that's what we are going to discuss about, you know. So pearl is actually, from first I'll just make the concept understand, then I'll of course dictate one by one. Then I'll just read this PDF. So how the pearl is formed in the body of the molluscus, you know, that is your pink tada or the pearl oyster. So we know some of the basic feature of the molluscus. They are soft body, specifically the mental portion, and covered with the calcium carbonate, covered with the layer of the calcium carbonate. So this is the hard outer layering of the calcium carbonate. If you'll open that particular organism, you will find a very soft muscles over there. Okay. So how the pearl form? Actually, the pearl form when any foreign particles enters into that body or the muscles of the pink tada, you know. So they consider the animal body, consider it as a foreign organism, right, or the foreign particle. Any not only the living but also the dead, suppose it, right? So the cells of that particular pink tada start secreting a hardest substance, okay, surrounding that. Suppose that if I'll say this is your, okay, so this is your foreign particle. If we consider like this is your foreign particles, okay, so what happens? The body of the pink tada, the body of the pink tada starts secreting a specific kind of chemical that has a major composition of calcium, right? Because they are the molluscas are completely, matlab, these pink tada is completely marine, some are the freshwater also, but of course they are generally, say, we can say that aquatic habitat. So what they do, they just start secreting a certain kind of chemicals, you know, surrounding that hard or the foreign particles, you know. That is actually your pearl. That hard substance secreted by the molluscas or the pink tada body, that is your pearl. Now this is something we know, that is a basic concept of the pearl culture, pearl formation, right? Now we'll read, now we'll cover what should you write in the introduction and everywhere, है ना? So okay, what you need to write. The pearls have been known, matlab, I have covered as a large, as a broad thing, okay. So pearls have known to the mankind the beginning of the civilization. They are highly esteemed as a gems and all. Okay, so these structures are secreted by the mantle, that is the skin of the pearl oyster, in response to the irritation caused by external or internal stimuli such as sand grains, molluscas, eggs, parasites, and detritus, and any other foreign particles. Okay, that is something we have talked about. So here you can write like that. India has one of the highest demand for the pearls of setting in jewelry and everything. Okay, so the pearl oyster are found in two different environment, in the two different localities. They are actually mainly, okay, at the depth of the 23-meter in the Gulf of Mannar, है ना, in that intertidal zone. The first is your Gulf of Mannar and the second is your Gulf of Kutch. These bivalves, है ना, are form large beds on the hard substrate in the Gulf of Mannar, while they are sparsely distributed in the Gulf of Kutch. This is something about the distribution of or the location of the pearl animal. In October 1972, the Central Marine Fishery Research Institute started a pearl culture research project at Tuticorin, है ना, and they get the success in 1973. How the pearl culture started? This is something about that. So the development of the pearl oyster hatchery technology in India in 1981 opened the way for the large command. Why we are mentioning these information? Because we are talking about the pearl culture, not only the pearl formation. So that kind of establishment and everything need to talk about that how, when, you know. So this is something like that. So pearl is mainly aragonite or mixture of aragonite and calcite in minute crystalline form, which has been deposited in concentric layers produced within the soft tissues, just as we have talked, mainly in mantle. Mantle portion is the soft tissues of the living shelled mollusk, such as, है ना. Okay, so pearl have known to be mankind since the beginning of civilization. Like this is something you can write in the introduction part with the development. Okay, so 6 species of pearl oyster along, just wait a minute. 6 species of oyster along the Indian coast. The first is your pink tarda fucata, that is your major one. Okay. Then second is your pink tarda margetifera, the pink tarda camen philippi. These are some of the 6 species. In the Indian water, the 6 species of pearl oyster occurs, but mainly, not actually only, but mainly pink tarda fucata, right, has contributed the pearl fisheries in Gulf of Mannar and Gulf of Kutch. This is something about that. Okay, pearl formation. So how the formation of pearl occur? Actually, this is about this thing, है ना? So this is the process of the pearl formation. Like suppose that this is the mantle portion, mother of the pearl, or that is known as that soft tissues are known as the nacre. This is a foreign body, है ना? Just entered into that mantle portion. This is mantle and epithelium. So surrounding that, this mother of the pearl, that actually particular cell which secretes such hard substance around that foreign particles, that is known as your nacre cells. Okay, so now shell is secreting the layer of nacre, then it is forming. This is, look, this is the structure of pearl. If I really want to do the zoom, if I want to do the zoom of this, look, this is something we are talking about. So here the foreign particle entered. Now the body cells, or specifically the mantle, secreting a substance that is hardest substance, and now this is the formation of pearl surrounding this foreign particle. This is your foreign particle and this is your pearl, है ना? You can see in that manner also. So what are the steps in that? Okay, so what are the steps in that pearl culture? So there are mainly 3 steps. Okay, of course there can be many things. So before starting, as we have covered in the last one of the section in YouTube series, the prawn culture. So what are that thing? So when we cover any kind of culture or the like for the purpose of economy or the artificially, this is something we have talked about the naturally. So if we are preparing, so there are some kind of steps to such as preparation of pond, है ना, choosing of that animal for higher breed. So these are some of the steps. So first step is your preparation of farm, like farm preparation, selection of farm site, construction of farm. The farm site should be the natural feature, it should like be the natural feature with the regular temperature, but because we know the temperature is something which is actually impacting the growth of any organism or the development, है ना? So because of that regular temperature with the gentle water current, है ना, that should not be very high because their body or internal body are very soft, है ना? So second is construction of farm in which the pearl is growing or the pearl animals, just pink tarda grows. So that is your construction of farm. The ideal size is this. Then the well planned work schedule, of course, the collection, seeding, brooding animals, seeding of everything, fertilization, growing more number of animals such as pink tada. So this is something. Then the collecting oysters, divers collect the oysters from that bottom of the sea. They are clean sites. Of course, this is something we are talking when we doing that at the first time. So whenever you do anything the first time, you need to collect the basic seeds over there. Such as this is something that oysters from the bottom of the sea are collected. They are cleaned, of course, sized. They are cleaned, sized, and transferred to the pearl form which you have prepared in the first step. So second step is your collection of seed, you can also say, such as when we have covered the prawn culture, we have said the seed as your first time or the second time, right? So step 3 is seeding. What is seeding? Seeding means preparation of graft. That means graft is obtained by the donor oyster. Okay. Then attaching the graft. That is something your seeding. Matlab preparation of graft. Matlab how the pearl is forming by inserting or by when any foreign particles enters into the body of that pink tada. So right. So that is something about the graft. That is your graft preparation, because now you are doing in the artificial or the human made environment. So you have to insert that graft particle inside that pink tada body. So this is something. Then attaching the graft is inserted into the slit, because I have told you this is something body like that opens. Okay. So inserting the core, exact sahi place pe secrete karna hai, so that the shell nacre will form in the maximum, in the good amount. Okay. So next, of course, is caring of the oyster, because of course if we are talking about any living cells, there are some kind of diseases which can impact. And step 5 is your harvesting. So construction of these are the mainly 5 process which have been further described in your PDF or the PPTs. Okay. So okay, selection of farm site, construction of farm, well planned work schedule. The first thing we are going to talk about this. So we will not elaborate very deeply. We will just read in this. No? Selection of pearl oyster. The most commonly used species we have just mentioned, the pink tada fucata, right? So this is something most commonly fucata used species. Okay, also known as the Indian pearl oyster, healthy mature oyster, है ना, that should be around 6 to 12 months. Why not below than that? Because of course if you take a very small uh, organism or the pink tada, of course they, comparative to that adult, they will have a like comparatively they will have a less power to secretion or to just forming the pearl. And if you take a very mature, that will also similar like a human, the capacity, right? So that should be around 6 to 12 months at selected from the wild or the farm hatcheries. From the wild, when we are talking about the first times, and from the hatcheries, this is something about that. Of course when you have done a one segment or the one process, then of course you are taking the seeds or the or the animal body from that hatchery zone. Okay, so these oysters must be free from the disease and the parasite. So conditioning and pre-operation care. Before implantation, or oysters are conditioned to control environment for to just become a more habitable. Okay, the nucleus and graft tissues preparation, है ना, that is something. From the freshwater mussels is used as a spherical bed. Why spherical bed? Because of course everyone has seen that pearl. So in that pearl, the hole between the pearl is circular or the spherical, so that most of the time the body which is taking the artificially, that should be the most of the time spherical or the circular in shape. Okay, so that graft tissue preparation should be that mostly spherical bead. Then second is your surgical implantation. That means how you will insert that foreign particle inside that body of the animal. Okay, then fifth is your post operation care. What is the post operation care? After implantation, oysters are kept in a recovery tank, so that particle will matlab, they will behave like only that says that particle will not something will create a problem. Okay, so what is that? This is something post operation care, something important phase in that pearl culture. And of course there is important phase for the 10 to 15 days. Now closely monitored for the stress infection. ऐसा तो नहीं है that we have that when we are just implanting that graft, maybe it is causing a negative impact, है ना, that should not be good for that but pink tada or the culturing of the pearl. Okay, so that is your recovery tanks after just inserting that graft. Okay, only the healthy ones are transferred for the to the farming cages, to open water and ponds. Then your rearing and maintenance. Okay, what is the rearing and maintenance? Oysters are cultured in suspended cages or raft in the sea of the 12 to 18 months. Okay, of course the regular cleaning, monitoring of the water, this is something, these points are something when we are talking about the regular and maintenance. these point, or suppose that when we say that monitoring, removing that infected particles, this is something which is common in every kind of culture, है ना? Even we are talking the pearl culture, sericulture, apiculture, and every kind of, okay. Then this is the harvesting. After the desired culture period, the oysters are harvested and pearls are extracted carefully. The pearls are then cleaned, graded, and sorted based on their size, shape, color, luster, and a shining, that is, and the surface quality. This is important about your pearl culture. Now everyone know about these things, but what you need to prepare more than that, that is a related disease and the pathogenic infections. है ना? Of course, this is something about the soft body and the mollusca, so that is your living organism. So there are some diseases related with that. What are the diseases? We need to think about that. Okay, so what are the diseases? Of course, there are some bacterial diseases, or maybe some uh, viral diseases like that. So disease and pathogens. What are the disease and pathogens? Bacteria, viruses, protozoans, parasites. So first of all, cell diseases, that is a bacterial infection, mainly the Vibrio species. Symptoms black or brown erosion, है ना? The weakening of the cell. This is something like that. Then there can be problem of the graft rejection. Graft rejection means when whatever we are inserting adds a foreign particle inside the body. Okay. So that is something, immune responses against the implanted tissues, or maybe then the problem with the nacre malformation because of that improper surgical techniques. So sometimes if you do not know, or if the person in that involved in the culture do not know how to, and like without activating the stress thing, है ना? Because if you insert suppose that a little larger graft particle, then it may cause a stress factor. Then it may not only problem with the culturing thing, but also the problem with the animals. Okay, so this is something need to focus. Then protozoan and parasitic infection, the Parkinsonis and Martilia species, which actually impact the mental portion of the pink data. Okay, so the weakness, poor growth, and high mortality. Then of course fungal infections. This is something very common disease is caused in the pearl culture, that is your Aspergillus and Fusarium species in stagnant or the polluted water. Growth retardation, of course, if there will be disease or the something impact, then the growth retardation, lesions, or the mental or the cell infect, of course, causes secretion and survival rate. What are the precautions? The precautions should be the regular maintain quality, है ना? Choosing the best breed or the good and not non-infected animals. So these are some of the precautions. Maintaining the water quality, use disease-free stock. Okay, then practice good hygiene. Of course, time to time you need to check this out. Then regular mounting, avoid overcrowding. Of course, yeah. Pearl culture in India. What you should write in that conclusion? Pearl culture in India holds great potential for economic development, especially in coastal rural areas, because this is one of your of course in the jewelry and gems, India actually have the good position all over internationally or the world level or the global level. So pearl culture actually also help in your economic section, okay, and in that role local population financial situation also. So pearl culture in India holds great potential for the economic development, specifically in coastal and rural areas. With proper management practices, scientific intervention, and diseases control, farmers can achieve high quality pearl production. So you can also write, if there will be some kind of conclusion, so you can also write such farmers which are involved in that, they should be trained in that manner also, right? So sustainable income. However, attention to the biosecurity, hygiene, and environmental condition is crucial to prevent disease outbreaks, and ensure the success of the pearl farming. What can be the other measures to just teach and like whatever the persons are involved, they need to be trained in that manner, है ना? To provide good seeds, है ना? What are the training should be like? How to project maintenance of farming culture, and how to prepare farm and everything. That would be one of the beneficial step for not only at the national level, but also at the rural level. So you can also write here, you can also write the pearls are using whatever the forms, right? So these are some of the types of the conclusion you can write in your answer. Thank you everyone. Maybe we will talk any other culture, or maybe some other topic. If you want to comment, you can just tell me what other culture I need to cover. So earlier than I have covered the prawn culture, there are at least 4 to 5 culture more if there are in your syllabus, so you guys can tell me. Thank you.